Get more on this now with Christopher Tahir, Senior Market Strategist at Exness. He joins us live from Kuala Lumpur. Welcome back to the programme, Christopher. Now, the dollar is at a 4-year low following around 10% fall last year, which Trump has suggested he's happy with. How concerning is the decline for the world's largest economy?
First of all, thank you for having me. So in this case, we will probably see that the biggest problem that will happen to the US is there will be increment of the import costs, which will be the main case, especially in the midterm to the long term. So if this decline continues, we will see that the US trade balance will have deeper deficit.
Right, and is the weakness in the dollar giving a much-needed boost to Asia-Pacific markets?
In my opinion, it will not provide any meaningful boost because it is just something that the Asian countries have adopted. And also the Asian countries have tried to move away from the US itself because of the previously imposed tariff. So in this case, we have seen that the APEC countries have diverted their exports to new markets, which will probably not giving huge impact, especially in the recent policy uncertainties.
Right, and we're seeing gold hitting new highs almost every day very quickly. Aren't markets worried about a potential collapse in the near term?
So let me explain what is happening to gold currently. So in the current situations, there are plenty of factors that cause the price of gold to increase. One of the key factors are the higher demand than the production itself, and also the continuing demand from central banks, which keep accumulating. But not only that, we know that the recent policy uncertainties and the not so friendly rhetoric from Trump has added the premium factor, risk premium factor to the price. So in this case, it might not be the best time to buy gold because it has grown at an exponential rate, which might not be sustainable in the long run. So we expect that there is a potential of gold to face near-term correction, especially when things suddenly change. So let's say when Trump suddenly become more friendly, then things might change quite significantly.
Christopher Tahir, Senior Market Strategist at Exness, thank you very much for your analysis.